Thank you for joining me today, guys. Got this Ram 1500 right here that I've had brand new since 2002. You guys still have this key right here, and it's making a lot of noise. I'm pretty sure it's power steering. Let's go ahead and see what it sounds like here. What do you guys think? Definitely power steering. Now let's pop the hood. Now, you guys didn't hear anything pop on that because it's pretty much it's pretty old, but it's gonna open up for us. I always carry around one of these, and I just got this the other day. Let's go ahead and open this up. That hood is heavy. Now this one is for vehicles over 75,000 miles, high mileage, and stop leak. I'm pretty sure that this power steering is completely empty of fluid. We're probably just gonna put the whole thing in there. Some things that you might want: some gloves, and maybe even a rag. Jeez. But this is a pretty easy fix, guys. Make sure we have the right reservoir here. Power steering fluid, so we're in the right spot. And you can see there's nothing in there. Let's dry it off. I'll put it back in there. Yeah, it's empty, as expected, with that kind of noise it was making. Let's go ahead and crack this seal open. If you were to just be adding a little bit, because you know it was a little bit low, of course you would add some, put the stick back in, and check it to see where it is on your fill line. But me, I know it's completely empty. We know it's completely empty, so we're just gonna add the whole thing. We don't really need to check to see if it's full. Since we added the whole thing, we know it's full. But Go ahead and see what it looks like. It covered the ad, so we're good. Go ahead and start it and see what it sounds like now. I'm gonna drive it down the block and back and see what it sounds like. So I want you guys to hear this now that I've gone around the neighborhood a few times, made some turns, got that fluid filled back into the line. So much better, so much nicer. It's an easy fix. Anybody can do it. I hope this helps somebody. God bless you. Have a good day.